Information suggests that the urbanization and state formation were quite on the move by the mid-first millennium, and still more so in the 4th century BC, as attested by the building of the wall you have seen before. And finally, I need to stress the need of continuity. At Altiburos itself, certainly with excavation of new areas, new tombs, and pushing up survey, but elsewhere as well. Altiburos is just a small spot into this immense North African area. So new projects would be welcome, especially there were settlements without later occupation, I mean without Roman and late antique occupation, may be attested. If they can be identified, which is not quite evident to me. Well, this was all. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation.
Resources, and there's some information about them available in the lobby. The Society for Libyan Studies, I'm sure, would be pleased to have some of you pick them up. Good books. And it's working as the Libyan Sahara that he'll be talking to us about today, with his talk on Saharan urbanism in the Guarantean state. Please join me in welcoming Professor Mattingly.
Well, thank you for the welcome, and particularly thank you for the invitation. I think this is the third time I've been invited to something at Brown, and I finally made it. And great to be here. I'm going to stray a little bit beyond Saharan urbanism, and indeed I want to pick up on some things that Juan San-Martí has presented so brilliantly, because I think our two papers actually run together and they point very much in the same direction. We are fellow travellers in this sense. So my paper seeks to draw out further the implications of Juan San-Martí's presentation on early Numidian urbanism and my own work on the Garamantian civilization in the Central Sahara for the study of Roman Africa. Specifically, I'm going to question some underlying assumptions of this study, first promoted in the classical sources, but reinforced in the modern colonial era. These assumptions relate to the processes of urbanization and the development of agriculture in the Maghreb, and the identity of the communities behind these innovations. The common tendency has been to link these crucial